Imagine stepping into a marketplace bustling with 1,000 voices. Each vendor pitches their product, hoping to catch the attention of passers-by. Now imagine one vendor who doesn't shout but speaks directly to those who are genuinely interested, providing them with valuable information and solutions. This vendor gains trust, builds relationships, and increases sales. Welcome to the world of strategic content marketing, where your brand can be that effective vendor. In today's digital landscape, strategic content marketing is not just an option. It is essential for building brand authority and establishing a competitive edge. This essay will guide you through mastering strategic content marketing, tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, ensuring your brand not only participates but stands out in the crowded marketplace. Strategic content marketing transcends traditional marketing approaches by focusing on delivering valuable, relevant, and consistent content. Its ultimate goal is not to interrupt consumers but to attract and retain them by creating articles, videos, and other content forms that genuinely add value to their lives. This engagement not only builds trust but also positions your brand as an authority in your industry, which is crucial for long-term success. Strategic content marketing is not about selling aggressively but about communicating with your target audience to educate, entertain, and inform them, thereby building a loyal community around your brand. The foundation of effective content marketing lies in understanding its core pillars: content creation, content publication, and content analytics. Each element plays a pivotal role in the success of your marketing efforts. Creating high-quality, impactful content is the first step. This involves understanding what resonates with your audience and how best to communicate your message. Following creation, the focus shifts to publication, which involves distributing your content across the right channels to reach your target audience. Finally, analytics allow you to measure the impact of your content, providing insights into what works and what needs improvement. Before you can create effective content, you must understand who your audience is. This involves more than just knowing their age or geographic location. It requires a deep understanding of their needs, challenges, and behavior patterns. Tools like analytics platforms and social media insights can provide you with a wealth of information about your audience. Use this data to tailor your content, making it as relevant and engaging as possible. Understanding your audience is an ongoing process that should continually influence your content strategy, ensuring that your content remains effective and engaging. Creating compelling content is both an art and a science. It begins with a clear understanding of your audience's needs and preferences, and extends into the realms of storytelling and visual appeal. Use a mix of content types, such as videos, blogs, and infographics, to keep your audience engaged. Each piece should provide value, whether it's solving a problem or offering insights into industry trends. Remember, compelling content is what sets your brand apart in the digital marketplace and keeps your audience coming back for more. Visibility is crucial in content marketing. You could create the most engaging content, but without visibility, it won't reach your target audience. SEO plays a key role here, helping to ensure that your content is discoverable through search engines. Additionally, understanding the algorithms of different social platforms can help you optimize your content for better reach and engagement. Optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and engaging titles to boost its visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Consistency in your content marketing strategy helps establish your brand's voice and keeps your audience engaged. Whether it's the frequency of posts or the style and tone of your content, consistency helps reinforce your brand identity. Plan your content in advance with a content calendar and maintain a regular posting schedule. This not only helps in organizing your efforts but also ensures a steady stream of content for your audience. Consistent, quality content builds credibility and helps maintain a connection with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. In today's digital age, your audience is scattered across various platforms. A multi-channel content marketing strategy allows you to reach them where they are most active, whether it's on social media, blogs, email, or video platforms. Each platform offers unique advantages and can be used to enhance different aspects of your content strategy. For example, video content might perform well on YouTube and social media, while in-depth articles might be better suited for your blog. Using a combination of platforms ensures that your content reaches a broader audience and engages them on multiple levels. To understand the effectiveness of your content marketing strategy, it's essential to measure its impact. This involves tracking metrics such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and website traffic. Tools like Google Analytics and social media analytics platforms provide detailed insights that can help you refine your strategy and improve your content. Regularly measuring and analyzing your content's performance allows you to make data-driven decisions, optimize your strategy, and achieve better results. As technology evolves, so does content marketing. Emerging trends, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, are set to revolutionize the way we create and distribute content. Staying ahead of these trends is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Continue to educate yourself and adapt your strategies to leverage new technologies and methodologies. By anticipating and adapting to future trends, you can ensure that your content marketing strategy remains effective and relevant, no matter how the digital landscape changes. In conclusion, mastering strategic content marketing is essential for any small to medium-sized business looking to build brand authority and engage effectively with their target audience. By following the principles outlined in this essay, you can elevate your brand and ensure your place at the forefront of your industry. Imagine stepping into a marketplace bustling with 1,000 voices. Each vendor pitches their product, hoping to catch the attention of passers-by. Now, imagine one vendor who doesn't shout but speaks directly to those who are genuinely interested, providing them with valuable information and solutions. This vendor gains trust, builds relationships, and increases sales. Welcome to the world of strategic content marketing, where your brand can be that effective vendor. In today's digital landscape, strategic content marketing is not just an option. It is essential for building brand authority and establishing a competitive edge. This essay will guide you through mastering strategic content marketing tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, ensuring your brand not only participates, but stands out in the crowded marketplace.